very much, first of all, inviting me here. It is the biggest possible honor for me, myself, to be able to present it to somebody whom I admire a lot. To the two greatest musicians of the country, whom I listen to when I am in trouble. So it's a great honor for me to present this award to Dr. Subramaniam, to Kavita ji, the greatest possible honor for me. And at this stage, I also want to thank the News 18 India for recognizing goodness in the society, for recognizing talent, for recognizing such great musicians. And it's the greatest honor for me that I have been given this chance to present it to you. Actually, I am too small to give it to you. So, जैसे चुनाव के दौरान हम लोग ऑल इंडियंस की कहीं ना कहीं मानसिक रूप से किसी ना किसी तरीके से सोच से उनको टच करते हैं, लेकिन हम तो बहुत थोड़े से पीरियड के लिए कैंपेन पीरियड में करते हैं. You touch everybody's hearts on a day-to-day basis, absolutely on a day-to-day basis. I'll tell when I get the chance of a few instances as to how I get myself the courage and the peace from your music. Thank you very much at this stage.
सर, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर हमारे साथ हों तो थोड़ा सा चुनावों की बात भी होनी चाहिए. देखिए, म्यूजिकल बात तो आपने कर दी और आपका म्यूजिक में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, वो हमने सुन लिया था. जो CWC हुआ है अभी, उन्होंने बैठक किया और उन्होंने कहा कि निष्पक्ष और स्वतंत्र चुनाव को कराने के लिए हम एक जन आंदोलन करेंगे. मुख्य विपक्षी पार्टी ये बात कह रही है. सर, चाहेंगे कि संक्षेप में उसके लिए जरा जवाब मिल जाए आपकी तरफ से.
आज का मंच मेरे ख्याल से सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए, सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, और जो अभी परफॉर्मेंस डॉक्टर सुब्रमण्यम की उसको दिमाग में रख के उसमें आनंदित होने का है. आपकी बात पे सिर्फ मैं एक ही लाइन कहूंगा कि हम लोगों का बेसिक जो उत्तरदायित्व है, द बेसिक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज टू मेंटेन द ट्रस्ट ऑफ क्लोज टू 970 million वोटर्स ऑफ दिस कंट्री. That is the burden, that is the responsibility which we carry on our shoulder on a day-to-day basis. When we sleep with this in mind, that we cannot do anything which can erode the trust of the 970 million voters of this country. It has taken 7 decades for our predecessors to build this trust. We cannot do one thing which can erode the trust. We are in the business of trust. ये विश्वास ही है जो सिर्फ हमारे ऊपर है. And we are therefore convinced that we are creating and we are bound to create not only democratic surpluses for India but for the world as a whole. The world is going into democratic recession. There are various things happening election after election. But today I am not talking of election, I am talking of music.
Thank you so much.
Music. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
But we will do everything possible to maintain the trust. And there are 3 mantras we follow. 3 mantras. Disclose whatever we are doing. Every aspect, from preparation of a voter list to the counting, to the machines, to appointing the personnel, randomized, everything is disclosed. By the evening we do. Second is involve. At every stage of the election process, involve political parties or the candidate. Everything will happen in front of the candidate, in front of the eyes of the candidate. Nothing behind. And thirdly, again, involve, disclose and disseminate whatever is available. And respond. If anybody raises a question, it is our duty to respond. And not respond like this. Respond in writing. And put it on our website, which we will do.
Thank you so much, sir. अब अनुरोध करेंगे हम. जी.
But today we will talk about recognizing goodness and appreciating and inculcating this habit in the society of appreciation. This is what you are doing, so we'll talk about this.
Thank you so much, sir. हम अनुरोध करेंगे हमारे मैनेजिंग एडिटर ज्योति कमल से कि चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर राजीव जी को सम्मानित करें. जोरदार तालियां, लेडीज एंड